The Sealey SNA9821 Drill Nibbler Attachment. The SNA9821 quickly turns your electric or air drill into a versatile nibbler, suitable for cutting intricate shapes in a variety of materials. Simply secure it into the chuck of your drill, hold the handle, and you're ready to cut. The punch and die cuts without creating distortion or burrs, so there's no need to hammer your workpiece flat or file off sharp edges. The nibbler can be used to cut a rusty section out of a panel too. Just drill an 8mm hole and the SNA9821's cutting tip can be passed through to start cutting. These features make the nibbler a popular choice for car bodywork restoration and fabrication jobs. Its double-ended punch allows the handle to be removed and reattached to the opposite side for longer periods of use. The Sealey SNA9821 Drill Nibbler Attachment. Another excellent tool from the extensive Sealey range.